What's up guys, welcome to Lens Lundy Boxing. So today we're going to learn how to throw a left hook. So basically the first thing you want to do is get into your boxing position. Since I'm a righty, I'm going to get my left foot forward, my right foot back, bend my knees, chin down, and the hands are up. Okay? So when I do a left hook, I'm not just throwing an arm punch. Okay? That's a beginner move that I see a lot of people do. They just throw the hook like this. Or another thing is that they'll throw the hook all the way over here while the opponent is in front of them. Okay? So what you want to do when you throw the left hook, guys, is you want to put your weight backwards, okay, on the back leg. So I put about 70 to 80% of my weight on the back leg. I elevate my front heel and I twist my hips and chest towards the wall that's on my right. So my chest gets parallel to the wall on the right side. In this case, I have a mirror. So from here, I'm putting my weight on my back. I'm elevating my front heel. I'm twisting on the ball of my front foot. My chest is parallel to that wall over there, and my head has to stay facing forward, okay? What I want to do is I want to keep a 90-degree angle between my bicep and my forearm, and I want to hit with my first two knuckles, so the index and middle finger knuckle. I could hit it vertically like this or horizontally like that. I always like to keep a slight bend. That way I'm always assuring that I'm hitting with my first two knuckles, which is the index and middle finger knuckle. Now, when I'm throwing the hook, what I want to do is open up my chest. So see, as I'm rotating to the right with my body, I'm pulling back my arm. So I want to kind of feel like a contraction right here, right behind my shoulder, basically my shoulder blade. So from here, I'm opening up my chest. I'm twisting my hips. I keep a 90-degree angle between the bicep and the forearm. The shoulder protects my chin and my chin stays tucked in. I'm hitting with the first two knuckles, which is the index and middle finger knuckle, just like that. I'm making sure that my right elbow is tucked in and my right hand is up. That one protecting my liver. My weight's on the back of is on my back leg. I keep about 70 to 80% of my weight there. So from here, I open up, twist. Just like that. Now one thing to mention is that the arm has to be delayed. So you always throw the body first and the arm is thrown second. So just like this. So just like that. So that's how you throw the left hook when you shadow box, okay? So if you guys want to have even more power for the left hook, what you guys could do is basically crank your hips towards the left. So put your weight on the left by twisting the back foot, okay? And then from here, I drop the back heel and then I twist. I elevate the front heel, hitting with the first two knuckles, 90-degree angle between the bicep and the forearm. So this is what it looks like from the side view. From here, twist to the left, twist to the right. That's how I get a powerful hook. So I'm loading up my hook in this case. If I don't want to load my hook, it looks like this. If I load it, it looks like this. Okay, so that's how you throw the left hook. Now I'll show you guys what it looks like on the bag. So a few mistakes that I see a lot of people do on the bag is that they throw the left hook from too close or they throw it from too far, okay? What you wanna do is you wanna get your left hook like this, put your chest sideways, so facing the wall over there, okay? So facing the wall over there, okay? So you rotate your hips, weight on the back leg, you're on the ball of your front foot, and your hips are twisted towards the right side, right? This is the range of the hook. I'm keeping a 90-degree angle between the bicep and the forearm, so that's how I know this is the range of my hook. So from here, twist to the left, elevating the back heel, twist to the right, elevating the front heel. Right hand stays up, left shoulder stays protecting the chin, okay? So from here, twist to the left, twist to the right. That's if I want to have a strong hook. If I want to have a normal hook, I simply twist my hips towards the right. Just like that. The arm is always slightly delayed. The body is always landing first. So see, the body lands first, the arm lands second whenever I throw a hook. So here, Another thing to mention when you throw the left hook, guys, is the body has to stay contracted while the arm stays loose. The only time you want to contract your arm is upon point of contact. So you only contract when you hit the bag. If not, it stays loose the whole time. So this is what it looks like when it's fast. So as you can see, I'm delaying my arm. See that? I delay my arm. And I always keep that 90-degree angle between the bicep and the forearm. And I'm always hitting with my first two knuckles. I always make sure that my wrist is slightly curled, no matter if I throw it vertically or horizontally. Okay, so if I throw it horizontally, it looks like this. Okay, so now you guys know how to throw the left hook. If you like the video, don't forget to drop a like. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.